Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now guys, you can see that I'm already looking pink, but my pink is not complete yet, okay? Today's video is proudly sponsored by Beaufox Hair. Beaufox. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but Beaufox Hair is sponsoring today's video. Beaufox Hair is an online company that specializes in all kinds of human hair wigs, full lace frontals, closure wigs, colored wigs, bundles. They have everything, and I mean everything. So thank you so much to Beaufox Hair for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I am going to be showing you the most amazing red hair ever, okay? And we are also going to be chatting about something a little bit important, something important, okay? Now if you guys want to see this lovely hair from Beaufox Hair and hear all I have to say about leaving Nigeria finally, keep watching. Alright, so this hair came in a nice pink box with all their social media handles at the back, and yes, this is the fire red hair, okay? It also came with a bunch of other things like a pamphlet and a wig cap that I may not use because the color is just too dark for me. So this hair actually needed some work, just a little bit of work. I had to straighten the hair properly, and as you can see, the bangs are like way too long. Like the bangs were getting to the mouth of my mannequin head, so I definitely knew I had to still trim those bangs accordingly. So I trimmed the bangs using a new razor blade, which was really sharp, by the way. So I just trimmed it in a way that it would literally be stopping right above the eye, and I feel like it looked amazing. Okay, so you guys have seen everything about this hair. Once again, like I said in the voiceover, this is a 24 inches 99J color Brazilian straight hair with bangs. Now guys, let me tell you guys something. When I was in the university, I wore bangs a lot. Like, I wore bangs a lot. In fact, it was almost like my signature hairstyle while I was in university. And even my convocation pictures, like when I was graduating from university, I wore bangs. My bangs were like stopping here. And I used to just love wearing bangs a lot while I was in the university. It was a hairstyle that I know that many people enjoyed wearing. If you wore bangs in Nigerian universities back then, let me know in the comment section below. But yes, it was one of my absolute favorite hairstyles ever, thanks to Darling Yaki of those days, okay? So when Beaufox asked me to pick a wig from their website, I didn't want to pick a full lace frontal because you guys know that when it comes to me and hair, I don't have time for stress, okay? So I only have like 2 lace frontal wigs in my collection. Most of my wigs are closure wigs. I don't have strength to be laying this one, dim baby hair. I don't have that energy. So I didn't want to opt for a lace frontal wig, and I just figured, yeah, it's gonna be a closure wig. But then I saw this cute hair with bangs, and it brought back so many memories for me from my university days. And I was like, you know what? Let's go for bangs. Let us go for bangs. And the beauty of this hair, like I said, it's absolutely a closure. In fact, it's closed everywhere. All you have to do is just wear this hair and you are good to go. So you guys saw in the previous clip, I had to like straighten it, you know, I had to trim the bangs because they were really long, like up to here. So I had to trim it with a razor blade and straighten the hair, and it looks amazing. Why am I talking too much? Let's get this hair out, okay? So this is what the hair is looking like. You guys know that I love color when it comes to hair. I feel like at this point, the only color I am yet to try would be purple hair, green hair, and blue hair. I think I've literally tried all the other colors. I've tried ginger, I've tried red, I've tried blonde, I've tried brown. I feel like at this point I need purple. I've tried pink. I need to try purple hair, green hair, and even blue hair. But anyways, this is so beautiful, and the color is so nice. It is like that out there kind of red color, so pretty. And guys, this hair is so flipping soft. Like, I'm running my fingers through it. It's really long because it is 24 inches. I'm just running my fingers through it, and it is soft, no tangling, no nothing, no shedding. Like, it is so pretty, and I feel like I'm going to wear this for a very long time. Obviously, inside the wig it has combs to help, you know, secure the wig, but in this case I'm wearing a wig cap. And to be honest, with this wig you don't even need to wear a wig cap. Just slap the thing on top of your head and you're good to go. All right, so yeah, very well made. So I'm just going to wear this hair. Ooh, I'm super excited because I feel like I haven't really worn it properly, like with makeup and everything. So I cannot wait to see exactly what it looks like on me with makeup and everything. Let's go. Whew. Damn. Oh my god, you guys, what? You guys, this hair is bringing back memories of my time in university. Wow. And I'm super happy I went for the red. I feel like if I had gone for a regular natural color, it wouldn't pop as much, but this red is just vibes, like, and it's so soft, guys. Look at how my comb is just, look at that, it's so soft. Oh my god, wow, guys. Like, see, when you want to know the true beauty of hair, make sure you have makeup on, because I feel like when you have makeup on, you tend to see the real beauty of who is this person. What, this is so pretty. I didn't have to do too much to this hair, guys. Like, all I had to do was straighten it because it looked rough, you know, after being packaged and shipped. It looked rough. All I had to do was just to straighten the hair, apply some leave-in conditioner, straighten the hair, and trim the bangs, straightened it, you know, and that's it. Like, that's literally it, guys. You people are not going to hear word from me again on the streets of YouTube. You're not going to hear word from me. Oh my god. I feel like I look like a Harajuku doll. Is that what it's called? Harajuku. One of these Japanese dolls. You know, they always have like fringe. So I feel like I look like them at this point. But oh my god, guys, this is definitely right off my alley. I love everything about this hair. I love the length I picked, 24 inches. It is so soft. Like, it's so pretty. To be honest, this hair is low maintenance. I feel like you don't have to do much to this hair. Let me wear my earrings so you guys can see what this hair looks like in all its glory, with all the accessorizing. Ha! God, I must go out today. I must go out today. What? You know what's funny? I've been wanting to get like a wig with bangs like in the last couple of months, but I've just been holding myself back, and then this comes. If you guys can see, this is where the length is getting to. So yeah, it's really long. You all are not ready for me. You know what's funny? I feel like bangs are those wigs that you can either get right or get wrong. I've seen bangs that have been done horribly, but this one was done really well. Like I said before, all I had to do was just to trim it, and that was it. Like, I'm absolutely in love with this hair, and I feel like this is going to be my signature hair right now for the next 1 month or so. So yes, I'm super excited about this. So really quickly, I just want to say something about a conversation I was having with my brother 2 days ago. So he called. Usually we talk like 1 or 2 times in a week. So he called, and anytime he calls, we're on this like long ass call. Okay, we talk for like hours when we're on the phone, myself and my brother. I was basically just lamenting to him about how things are in Nigeria. No fuel, how the fuel scarcity has become so bad, the heat is tremendous, and there is no power. Like, he was just laughing. He was like, Alma, these are things I do not miss about Nigeria. And it was like, funny enough, why don't you guys, it's not time for you guys to relocate, it's not time for you guys to move. You guys need to just japa, you guys need to move. Are you guys not ready? And I told him, look, I feel like if you had asked me this question 3-4 years ago, I would have said, in fact, you will not even see me here to ask me. I would have already japped by that time. But with where I am right now in my career, I feel like leaving Nigeria now for me would be a wrong move. I feel like 90% of my audience is here in Nigeria, and 90% of people who are following me because I am a content creator based here in Nigeria, and I feel like I bring a sense of, you know, home to people who are outside Nigeria. That is Nigerians who are living outside Nigeria. When they watch me, they have a sense of, you know, feeling of home when they watch me. I feel like I am beginning to create a big space for myself here in the Nigerian content creation, influencer, brand marketing, everything market. I feel like I am beginning to do that. I mean, these days I go out, people know who I am. Like, I cannot enter somewhere without somebody saying, oh my god, how might watch your videos? Everywhere I go in this Abuja alone. And I just feel like my career right now is here in Nigeria, and leaving Nigeria to say, okay, let me leave Nigeria for good right now, for me would be a wrong move with regards to my career, because I feel like it would just mean starting over, creating content in a different country, in a different continent, where nobody knows who you are. Basically, maybe just the handful of Nigerians who watch you from Obodoyibo may know who you are, but then talking about like a wider demographic, I feel like nobody really knows who I am in any other country. Right now, that is like my number one fear with regards to relocating. If you had asked me this question 4 years ago, I would have said, hell yeah, let's relocate. But like, even my husband knows that right now I am not, like, right now I am literally like anti-relocation for now. It may still happen. I feel like I will get to a point in my career when I'll be like, you know what, I can do this thing from anywhere in the world. And it's not like I cannot do this thing from anywhere in the world right now. I just feel like I still have a lot of work to do, and I feel like Nigeria right now is basically my biggest target market, and I'm doing really good here for now. And to be honest, it can only get better for me here right now. So I feel like right now relocating is not for me right now, and that is crazy to say. But somebody who really wanted to leave this country as at 3-4 years ago, it's crazy that I can actually say now that I am not thinking about relocating right now. Even my husband knows. I've told you want to keep looking for international jobs. If you get an international job and you need to leave, I will support you. Me, I have to be here first for now. Like, that's how bad I feel like I want to be here to do what I'm doing and to succeed properly at what I'm doing. I know that, you know, traveling would mean bigger opportunities, better pay, because I do know that content creators in other countries are earning more in terms of even YouTube and just working with brands. I know, but I just feel like it's going to be like starting afresh, and I have a phobia for starting afresh. Anything starting afresh, I have a phobia for it. And aside that, I think the other thing that I feel like, oh my god, I am very about relocating right now is access to help. You guys know, with the way my job is, with the way I do what I do, I cannot not have help. Do you get me? I cannot not have help. I feel like I'll just break down and I will not be able to achieve as much as I achieve on a daily basis here living in Nigeria right now. So yeah, for those reasons, you know, I'm just like, nah, not now. My brother was like, yeah, he understands actually that it's a valid point, because he was like, to be honest, if you're coming here, you are starting afresh. Like, you are starting afresh, okay? And I completely understand if, you know, you just want to do what you're doing in Nigeria for now. So let me know in the comments section down below, guys, what you guys think about this. Do you think it is a wise decision? Do you think if I have the opportunity I should jabba, or do you think I should just stay and, you know, keep growing my brand, because I never know where it would get to? I feel like right now I'm at a point where, oh my god, I want to just travel and travel and travel and always come back here. Like, I am not anti-travel. Like, I want to travel so bad. So I feel like at this point I really want to travel, come back, travel and come back. But to travel and not come back, that's the part that I'm like, I'm not sure, you get. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Once again, my lovely, beautiful hair, beautiful wig is from Beaufox Hair. I will leave all the information about this hair in the description box below so that you can go check it out if you are interested. And even though you don't want something like this, they have a nice big range of different human hair wigs, different human hair closure wigs, frontal wigs, bundles, you name it, they have it. Check them out. I will leave all the information in the description box down below. Okay, and yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.